Hi there. Hey, welcome to number 60, 43201 Lougheed Highway in Nicomen Village, Mission, BC. This cute little 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom mobile has essentially been totally rebuilt in 2019 and 2020 from the ground up. It's tastefully designed and detailed. There's new 2x4 construction, plumbing, wiring with Silver Seal approval, insulation, doors, windows, blinds, roof, flooring, paint, fixtures, lighting, baseboards and trim, kitchen cabinets and appliances, hot water tank and air conditioning. It has a 10,000 kilowatt standby generator and 2 large propane tanks that power it. In this beautiful home and in around the area, you're only minutes away from walking trails, hiking, breathtaking scenery and beaches, ski resort, golfing, the Sasquatch Pub and Cafe, the Kilby Historical Site and beach. Harrison River's only minutes away with camping, boat launch, world-class fishing, and farmers markets. The convenience store is only 3 kilometers away. Pad rent here is only $400. Pets allowed and no rentals. Come see me or book an appointment today. We're listed at $325,000. This one won't last, you guys. Come take a look.